Residential construction. There's never enough time. Everything has to go just right. And money. You gotta make every penny count. But maybe it's time to think about something else.
Ivan, get an ambulance.
If you start to veer off your cut line, don't try and force the blade back on line. This creates pinch points, which may cause the saw to bind and kick back. Always support the wood you're cutting. If the wood is not supported, it'll bind on the blade, causing pinch points, jamming, and kickbacks. You're a pro. There's always time to do it right.